If you are still doing this in AutoCAD in 2026, manually clicking, typing, and numbering hundreds of objects one by one, you are actively throwing away your weekends. What if you could just click, drag, and watch AutoCAD number everything flawlessly in seconds? Today, we are not using a command. We will use AI for creating an AutoLISP for auto-numbering in AutoCAD. If you have not coded a single line in your life, don't worry, we will do it AI in twinkling of an eye. To start this process, we need to use one of the AIs. It can be Gemini, Cloud, ChatGPT, any access that you have. For here, I need to come and give this prompt to AI and I say enter. It gives me the AutoLISP in less than 3 seconds. While it gives, let me tell you, AutoLISP is the program language behind the AutoCAD. Now I have it, I copy it, and I come here and I open a text file. I paste it here and I say that. Let me copy it. I didn't copy this here. And I say I paste it here. Now I save it. I need to save it in any location that I want with the suffix of LSP. For example, I say AUTONUM dot LSP and I say enter. Because I have it, I don't want to override it. Now I come in my AutoCAD, I say upload, enter. In upload, I have access to the list that I have created. Now I click on this and I say load. As you see, it says that AutoNum LSP successfully loaded. I can come here. Now we will work just with AutoCAD. Here I call this list. I say AutoNum, enter. I need to give the start point and end point and the numbers that I want. I say this is my start point. For example, I want to add these numbers between these parking lots. I say this is a start point and the end point is here with the total of these parking lots. I say 16, enter. Now it gives me till the text style that you have intrinsically in your AutoCAD. I say, for example, work on this standard and enter. As you see, it gives this numbering process in less than 3 seconds. Now we learned how to auto-number in AutoCAD with the help of LISP created by AI. If you want to have access to this prompt and also the LISP file, check the description. You will have free access for their link and you can download them.